All right, so we are LNR. I'm Colin Plant.
I'm Raze.
And this is Hostage.
New album just came out. LNR. By LNR. Dude, stop playing, man. Yeah.
Check it out now.
There it is.
I'm kind of thinking you might take this the
Wrong way.
And actually, I'm hoping that you're gonna. You got this idea when two people don't feel. You make them feel like a lime in a Corona bottle. How do I get over this thing that you did? Easier said than done. I don't like to joke, no, I don't like to kid. Kicking it with you, baby, ain't fun no more. But I be kind of over. I think all the things that you ain't, all the things that you are. How dumb you get when you drink. Feel the world with this tank, rubber running empty. Never hit a girl, but you sure to make it tempting. I be on till and you push it. Dealing with you, and it's about a what? But don't that you a freaking bit, I'd rather use a lotion on myself, falling off the show. Rocky like the ocean. UNSCAPLE. Ignore all the warnings that my friends try to tell me. Now I go home late and drink myself a pot of Velvet with a sign in the window saying, please, someone help me. Well, you are holding me hostage, and no, I don't like what you're doing to me. Baby, won't you let me go? You gone. Come on. Try to get what you want, cause that's the way you work. I hope you set me free. Set me free today. Set me free today.
You ever been with a woman that makes you feel like you've been drugged? Dropped in the basement, tied up and wrapped inside a rug. Under you, every time you in, I got you feeling like some other dude. Acting like a dusty fool, knowing damn well she don't love you at all. Giving you some in case of the leave, just a cushion of fire. As you sitting on the couch, rag my feeling helpless, broken, bleeding heart, and then you start to getting desperate. Plotting your escape, taking a time up for your exit. The way she treats you ain't good, but the love is. Yeah, homie, you good as coming on the low. Trying to get away from that girl, but I get strong. Steady holding on by the threads of words. When it's a trap to pull you back, so you get to the curve. You are hostage.
Well, you are holding me hostage, and no, I don't like what you're doing to me.
Baby, won't you let me go?
You gone. Trying to get what you want, but that's the way you work. But I'm hoping to set me free.
Come on, you are
holding me hostage,
and no, I don't like
what you're doing to me.
Baby, won't you let me go?
You gone. Try to get what you want, but that's the way you work. But I'm hoping you set me free. Come on.
Bring it back. Yeah. All right, y'all, we ain't over yet. This is the part of the song. We need all of y'all at home, all of y'all on your laptops to join in and sing it on with us. So check it out. We gonna sing it first. Come on, Tom.
You are holding me hostage. No, I don't like what you're doing on me.
You're doing to me. Baby, won't you let me go?
You gone.
Come on.
We're trying to get what you want, but that's the way you work. You set me free.
Uh-oh, you gonna take the jacket off? Y'all say
you are holding me hostage, and no, I don't
like what
you're doing on me.
Baby, won't you let me go?